Victorian houses first appeared in the United Kingdom during the time Queen Victoria ruled, from 1837 to 1901. This era, known as the Victorian period, saw significant changes in architecture, with styles shaped by the rapid industrial growth and the global reach of the British Empire. Victorian-style homes can still be found in many places today and remain influential in modern architecture. Valued for their distinctive design features, these houses continue to inspire new construction and adapt well to contemporary lifestyles. Although Victorian homes haven't evolved directly into futuristic styles, their impact is still visible in today's architecture. Many modern architects take cues from Victorian details, blending them with current building materials, advanced technologies, and open concept layouts.